Ever wished you could just tell an AI to make a complete video? Imagine describing your vision in plain English and watching a polished, multi-shot video materialize. Well, that's not just a dream anymore. Runway AI just made end-to-end video creation incredibly easy, and the results are mind-blowing. For most creators, traditional video production is a labyrinth of tasks. You start with a script, then painstakingly plan your shots, record voiceovers, source music, and finally, battle it out in a complex editing timeline. A single 30-second promo could easily eat up days of your precious time. We've all faced those bottlenecks, scripting a clear message, composing compelling scenes, finding the perfect voice, and then wrestling with software to bring it all together. It's slow, it's expensive, and it often requires a team. But what if all of that could be streamlined into a single conversation with an AI? Runway AI's new agent feature isn't just generating clips. It's transforming this entire workflow by taking a single written brief and delivering a complete multi-shot video, often in minutes. This is a game changer for speed, efficiency, and creative output. So how do you unlock this power? First, you need to access the new AI Agent feature within your Runway AI dashboard. Log in as usual, and on the main navigation, you'll see a new option, often labeled Agent or AI Copilot. Click on that. This will take you to a dedicated conversational interface. Think of it like chatting with an intelligent creative assistant. Now, a crucial point. This cutting-edge feature is often rolled out first to beta users or specific subscription tiers. If you don't see it immediately, check your account's plan or look for an announcement regarding its availability. Make sure you have the necessary permissions. Once you're in, you'll see a clean chat window ready for your video brief. Now, let's dive into the core technique. This is where the magic happens. Step 1. You'll type a natural language brief directly into the chat interface. Be descriptive, but you don't need to be a film director. For example, let's type this exact prompt. Create a 30-second promo for a new coffee shop with upbeat jazz music and quick cuts, highlighting a cozy atmosphere and artisanal beverages. Step 2. The AI agent will process this and, within moments, propose a concept. It will often give you a brief story structure, a scene breakdown, and suggest visual themes. Review this. Does it capture your intent? If not, you can refine it right here. You might say, make the music more indie folk, less jazz. Step 3. Once you approve or refine the concept, you'll hit Generate. The agent then goes to work, generating the complete multi-shot video. This includes distinct scenes, a natural-sounding voiceover, any suggested dialogue, and the chosen music track, all perfectly synced. It's truly an end-to-end process. Step 4. Now, here's where it gets really good and where you retain creative control. You can use conversational prompts to iteratively refine any element. Want to change the shot framing for a specific scene? Type, for scene 3, make it a close-up on the barista pouring latte art. Need the pacing adjusted? Speed up the cuts in the final 10 seconds. The AI learns and adapts. Step 5. Finally, for those pixel-perfect adjustments, utilize the built-in timeline editor. While the AI does most of the heavy lifting, you can still drag and drop clips, trim precise moments, or add specific text overlays manually, just like you would in a traditional editor. This blend of AI generation and manual refinement is what makes it so powerful. To really elevate your output and stand out, here are a few advanced tips. Power user trick 1. Don't just describe the content. Specify emotional tones and visual styles directly in your initial brief. Instead of just a promo for a new tech product, try something like, create a serene, minimalistic 45-second promo for a sustainable tech product, using soft, natural lighting, ambient futuristic music, and focusing on user experience and innovation. Ensure the color palette is cool and inviting. This upfront specificity guides the AI to higher fidelity results, saving you refinement time. Power user trick 2. Leverage the iterative refinement process for rapid split testing. You can generate multiple versions of a video concept by simply changing a key descriptor in your prompts. Generate version A with energetic rock music. Then, generate version B with a calm classical soundtrack.
This allows you to quickly test different creative directions for marketing campaigns or content ideas without significant reproduction effort. And for highly specialized effects or integrating existing brand assets, you can always export specific video segments from Runway and bring them into another professional editor like Premiere Pro or DaVinci Resolve. It's a powerful combination. AI for the heavy lifting, your preferred editor for the bespoke touches. Let's look at what this truly means in practice. Remember our coffee shop promo example? What you're seeing on screen now is an example of what Runway's agent generated from that single prompt.
Visual description. Show a dynamic 30-second coffee shop promo. Quick cuts of smiling baristas, beautiful latte art, cozy interior shots, customers enjoying coffee, all set to upbeat indie folk music with a friendly voiceover. This isn't just a collection of stock clips, it's a cohesive narrative with appropriate pacing, transitions, and audio, all conceptualized and assembled by the AI. This project, which might have taken a videographer and editor days of work, from shooting to post-production, was conceived and executed in a single session. Think about the use cases: rapid prototyping for marketing campaigns, generating quick social media content on the fly, creating explainer videos for new features, or even just bringing personal passion projects to life without needing a studio. The creative possibilities are truly boundless. Runway AI's agent isn't just a tool, it's a paradigm shift for video creators. It empowers you to go from concept to finished product faster than ever before, democratizing professional-grade video production. Start experimenting with your own prompts today and see what you can create. Subscribe to AI Tips for more practical AI tutorials, and next time, we'll dive into how to integrate custom voice clones into your AI-generated videos for an even more personalized touch. Don't miss it!